Okay,
Mm.
I'm Dr. Park, CEO of PINECO. We are a climate tech startup revolutionizing how concrete is cured or hardened, delivering solutions that are low carbon, high performance, and operationally safe. Concrete is the foundational material of modern infrastructure with over 30 billion tons produced annually. It supports nearly 80% of the built environment, all over the world. It is an irreplaceable material that makes urbanization possible. One of the most critical steps in concrete production process is curing, which is essential for achieving strength and durability of concrete. Conventional curing relies on fossil fuel combustions to raise ambient temperature, which leads to low energy efficiency, harmful emissions, and unsafe working conditions. There have been real consequences, suffocation incidents, curing delays, and even structure failure directly linked to poor curing practices. Concrete construction typically uses one of two methods, casting in place on site or precast in factory. Despite the difference in location, the overall process from mixing to demolding remains the same. But during the curing stage, fossil fuels are still widely used. On site, this often means burning coal or solid fuels to heat the whole space. In factories, steam is generated using boilers. Both methods emit carbon dioxide, toxic gases, and fine dust, compromising workers' safety in the process. To address the problems of fuel-based curing, we developed ThermoCure, an electric heat curing system for both casting place and precast concrete. It replaces combustions with heating pad and a temperature-controlled unit applying heat directly to the concrete formwork's surface. ThermoCure cuts carbon dioxide emissions by up to 64% and energy cost by 85%, while enhancing site safety and ensuring consistent concrete quality in cold climates. It's a clean, practical alternative without changing the way concrete is placed. ThermoCure is based on core technology developed by KRRI, the Korea Railroad Research Institute. Three members of our team, including myself, were directly involved in its original development at KRRI. We acted right through a formal transfer process and refined the system for commercialization. It works across different environments, from precast production to on-site construction. ThermoCure consists of three key components: hardware, software, and quality control. The heating pad is embedded directly to the formwork, allowing localized heat transfer. Temperature is managed through an IoT-based control system, which adjusts curing condition in real time. For more precise quality management, heat curing chamber can be used to simulate and optimize curing environments. ThermoCure has been applied in various field conditions, from bridge piers and tunnel lining by Korea Expressway Corporation to precast factories producing railway slabs. Across these projects, we've seen up to 64 reduction in carbon dioxide emissions compared to conventional curing methods. The system was demonstrated stable performance with positive client feedback on both quality and usability. It has been supplied to over 10 project sites so far, contributing to steady commercial adoption. So why now? For three reasons. Market demands are rising. Environmental regulations are getting stricter. No one have successfully implemented yet. The global concrete market is substantial, and the industry is under a lot of pressure to reduce its carbon footprint. So the potential market is very huge. These are our business models. We rent thermocure pads for on-site projects and custom sell heat foam works to precast factories. We also supply precast concrete products to infrastructure clients pursuing ESG goals. So our model connects with public and private market and aligns with the global push for sustainable developments. We are currently active in Korea and preparing for global market entry, starting with Asian and European countries. From there, we plan to scale into infrastructure, apart construction, and precast expansion across East South Asia and United States. Before founding PINECO, I worked at the KRI, where I was involved in developing the core technology behind thermocure. The field experience and need for safe green technology led me to start this company. Our CTO leads product development, our CFO ensures financial growth, our CEO oversees operation and scale. We are secured ISO certifications, registered Korean patents and international protection through PCT application. This foundation supports our expansion strategy. We'll keep pushing changing in this market and invite you to join us in building a more sustainable future. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time and explanation and taking time to present me your technology. I will start with the VIVATECH question. So I want to know why you want to be at VIVATECH and what's your main goal about going there? Are you planning to expand quickly in the French market, or you just want to do research in the European market, or do you already maybe have meetings planned with partners?
As I mentioned, we are currently engaging in pilot project in Korea with plans to enter Europe. Our focus is on markets with strong green building policies and a growing demand for sustainable construction solutions. So I think we are open to partnership with construction firms, ESG-focused investors, and smart infrastructure players. We believe collaboration is key to scaling our impact globally, and I hope to go to Europe.
Okay, so for now, it's mostly market research, if I understand well. And
So,
maybe try to expand in Europe, right?
yes, planning to.
For your solution right now, what stage is it? Is it still a prototype? Is it production ready? Did you already set up different places? What's the stage of the company now?
It's a prototype, and we are ready to the market. So I think we believe our technology can go.
If I may,
Mhm.
sorry, if I may, we're already tested in our system in the field in Korea, and some global companies keep contacting us for the application of our system. So one of the customers from Japan, and we believe that the system is good, efficient in a cold region or extreme conditions like upper northern region of the European countries or something like that. So it would be a great opportunity for us to visit. To join the VIVATECH this time.
Okay, that's good. And what was what have been the feedback from the first users on the performance and maybe on the scalability of the solution?
We have a few projects. We had applied for expressway construction projects, and they are. It was a really cold weather. I mean, the temperature, ambient temperature was like minus 18 degrees or something like that, and the main key technology for us is like heat curing. So in winter, it's kind of it's really extreme condition for the concrete manufacturing, but we successfully implemented our system, and then we can demote the system like in one day. So it was like a very successful experience for the customer and for us too.
Okay, and it was in Korea or?
It was in Korea.
Okay, and right now, if you want to scale the production of the of your service, what challenge will you face? What would be the main challenge for you right now?
We are we'd like to expand our business to the global market, and it's we haven't raised yet, so we'd like to meet great investors or partners, and yeah, that would be biggest challenge for us.
Okay, so I can assume the main challenge right now will be money for being able to scale the production,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah, you're not alone in that. Don't worry. Okay.
Construction industry, the construction company, we're planning for like more than 5 years or 10 years plans for one construction. So they ask us to apply our system, and then the applying the period would be like 3 years later or something like that. So it would be the project will be really takes a long time, so it will also challenging.
Yeah, construction is very time-taking
Yes.
like a project, especially in Europe where we have a lot of regulation and things to plan ahead and ahead. So it's another market, but it will be nice for you to try the European market, I guess. So I will see you next week in VivaTech. Both of you. Okay.
We'll
Then
see you next
thank
week.
you very much. Thank you for answering my question. And yeah, see you next week in Paris.